Hello my beautiful gorgeous babes out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope everyone is doing well, and if you've been following me for some time now, let me adjust the camera. I don't know if you noticed, the camera quality is a lot better. I just recently picked up a new camera. This is my first video filming with it. Now if it does like get blurry or fade in and out, I'm still trying to adjust the settings to get it right. I did pick up the Canon EOS, I think M50. I thought this camera would work best for me. I was looking at the Canon 80D, but the camera was just too big for me, and I'm not doing complex things and all that, so I decided to go with the M50. And so far I think it's a good choice. Do I look good? How is it? Can you guys tell a difference even from my previous videos? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know if it looks better. But today I'm going to be doing another Boxy Charm and Ipsy unboxing. I think I'm just gonna start doing this regularly and all that. So here we go. Boom. Boxy Charm and Ipsy. I'm just gonna share. I don't know, I think it's something I love to subscribe to. I love Boxy Charm and love Ipsy, so I was like, why not share about two subscriptions that I really love and just share it with you guys monthly. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm just gonna jump into this video now because I've been rambling, so let's just get into it. So I'm gonna go with Boxy Charm at first. This is their regular box. It's their smaller one. I think it's $21 a month, and you get this one daily monthly. And then if you do subscribe or upgrade to the Boxy Luxe, you'll get the bigger box every 3 months, I think that is. But if you don't upgrade, then you would get this size box every month. So that's how it is. And I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna let you guys know which subscription box I thought was better, and I think it's more useful for me and for what I like. But the first item is this Butter London eyeshadow palette. I don't even know what it's called. I think it says it on the sheet. The Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. I love the packaging. I think it's really pretty. And here's the shadows in there. Isn't that pretty? Like, these colors are super pretty. Very neutral with a little bit of green and a little bit of blue. I do already have shades like this in my collection, but I still could work with it. I think the formula is different and interesting and really pretty. I'm gonna swatch a couple on my hand and share that with you guys. I don't know, it's an interesting formula. It's not like super groundbreaking or like blowing my mind, but from what I've swatched, I think they're pretty. There you go, you see that? Very nice. But I think that's a really pretty palette. And this one is retailing for $32, which I think is kind of pricey for such a little palette. But that's just my opinion. I have not used it on my eyes yet to know whether they perform very well or if they're like long wearing. I don't know. Then I got the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This is what it looks like right there. And this retails for $35. It says it's get a shot of Green Goddess with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Have not tried it. I mean, skincare, you know, you never know whether you're gonna really like it until you try it, and you try it multiple times, whether this is a good fit for you. But it looks like it has avocado and broccoli seed oils rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. So it looks like this would also be really good for someone with dry skin since it has those oils in there. I already have my own natural oils, but I do believe in hydrating the skin, especially like at night. I kind of go heavier on the oils, and I think overall that helps you produce less oil if you definitely like focus on hydration. That's just a little thing that I'm about. And then I got the Luxie, is it Gaia is how you say it, brush set. This is a 3-piece brush set, and this retails for $30, and they sent it in kind of like a recycling and packaging thing. I think that's really pretty and smart to do that. I forgot to even tell you guys, the Boxy Charm theme was all natural. So like, I think Elemis is more of a natural brand, and then this, you know, has that kind of like wood natural packaging. This one is cruelty free and all that. Wow, this only has a 6-month shelf life. That's crazy. Okay, anyways, I'm getting distracted. This includes a large eye blending brush, a precision crease brush, and a foundation brush. And this is what they look like. Ooh, it has like these little like pink wooden handles on it. Really, really pretty. I don't think I would use this as a foundation brush, but I've seen a lot of people were using this to put the face mask on, so I probably would use it for that. They do feel really, really soft, and ooh, this is a really big blender brush, a little like flat shader brush, I would say. I think these are gonna be really, really good. I love brushes. I can always take more brushes in my collection. And if I didn't mention, that was $30. And then I got the Ofra Liquid Lip for $20. This is in the shade Santorini. I have not tried this on my lips yet, but this is what it looks like. It looks like it's a kind of like a fuchsia shade with glitter in it. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand for you guys to see. I do love Ofra's lipstick formula. I do think they make some really good lip products as well as highlighters, but there's that swatched out on my hand. I think it's a really, really pretty color from what I can see. And it has a scent too. It smells kind of good. And then I got the Appeal Gel Liner. Lines and defines your eyes or lips with your new Appeal Gel Liner. This is $21. And that's kind of cool. It's like multi-purpose. It's in the shade Deep Taupe. And it says you can use it as lip liner and as eyeliner. But I'm going to swatch it. Ooh, wow. This is super creamy. But that's the shade right there. I think that would go on really nice. I love these kind of like creamy pencils. And I like that it's not one of those wooden ones. I mean, wooden ones aren't terrible, but they're not my favorite. So I'm excited about that. And so what does this retail altogether? Let's do the math. It's 67, that's 97, that's 117. So $138 for this whole box, and you pay $21 for it. I think that's amazing, and I like the stuff in here. I'm not super thrilled or excited about necessarily any of them, but I feel like as I use them, I can kind of get a better gauge whether I love them or not. I am happy about the brushes though. I really do like the brushes. I do think the palette is pretty. I love getting skincare, and LMS is a more pricey skincare brand, so I'm excited about that. And then now cracking into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is what it's called. So this is kind of similar to Boxy Charm. You get about 6 full-size products, but this one is $25 a month. And they do also have a like subscription where it's like sample sizes, like deluxe samples, and that's $10. But I always just upgrade. I already upgraded to the bigger one because I prefer that than deluxe samples, because I get a lot of deluxe samples, especially from Ulta. So I was not interested in that. But this says July 2019 dive in. So these, this one's like a summer themed, I guess. But I got the Pixi by Pectra Glow Mist. I'm very excited about this. Here, this is what it looks like. Is that gonna focus? Hopefully. And I've never used any of Pixi's products. No makeup, no skincare. So I'm really excited. I always hear such good things about Pixi, and I've been wanting to try them. I do feel like they're a little pricey for drugstore, but if they're worth it, you know, they're probably worth the price. A lot of people talk about their products a lot, so I'm really excited to get a chance to try this without like forking the price for it or like purchasing it in the store, because this is $15, and for me, like a spray in a drugstore is a lot. I don't know, maybe I'm just super cheap. But this says it sets up for your summer glow lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose flower and lavender, aloe vera, fruit extract to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. And I have oily skin, so I usually stay away from anything that's gonna make me look dewy because I naturally produce my own glow. But I'm gonna spray this and see. It smells good. It has a light, like refreshing, almost like smells like you're at the spa. I would most likely use this. Oh my god, you guys can see like the oils in there. Is it? focusing, but this is probably not something I would use before I put my makeup on or set my makeup. This is something I most likely would use at night. I like to use like a spray at night after I do my skincare for hydration, so that's probably what I'm going to use this for. But I'm very excited. I'm so excited to be trying a Pixi product. And then I got the Perlice Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. This is the box, and this is what it looks like inside. This is valued for $45. Oh my gosh, that is expensive for primer. But this is what the tube looks like. And this says it's former Power Ranger villainess Jennifer Yen channels her passion for time-tested Asian skincare rituals into a result-driven multitasking skincare line. This is lightweight, oil-free, hydrates and preps your skin for makeup application. Green tea helps protect from fine lines and wrinkles, while white tea, vitamin E, and French marine plants soothe skin and help to retain moisture. So this is going to give you a dewy, radiant finish. Okay, I'm oily already, so I usually stay away from dewy primers as well. But I'm like really oily right here and here and here, and then the rest of my skin like around here is like normal. So most likely something like this I would use on the outer perimeters of my face, on the normal areas, but the oily areas probably not. But I'm still excited. I like hydrating primers. I just usually gravitate towards what's the word, like mattifying primers. I'm gonna just see what this looks like. This is what it looks like in the thing. It's just like feels like a lotion. Oh, yeah, I can see, you see the sheen? It smells very like herbally, spa-like. It feels really good. I think this would be a good it was like a moisturizer, like a lightweight moisturizer as well. That's also something I would use it for instead of using it as a makeup primer. And then what I'm also really excited about, I got the Huda Beauty 3D highlight palette in Golden Sands. I only have some of the Huda like palettes, but nothing for like face or anything else. So excited to get this. This retails for $45, and I've been eyeing this out for some time. And there's the colors in here. So pretty. I think they're on the darker side, so if you have really fair skin, this wouldn't work. And I think from what I've seen in the comments, there is a lighter version. I might be wrong, but I'm like medium tan, especially in the summertime. I do get really fair in the winter time, but right now I'm at pretty tan. This would look really good on my skin, so I'm really excited. And it looks like this one is a cream one right here, and then these are just like powder highlights. I'm gonna swatch some. Ooh, that feels really nice. I've been into cream products lately, so I'm really excited to have received a cream product in there. But this is what the highlights look like. I hope that's translating. But I'm very excited about getting this palette. And last but not least, oh no, I have two more products. What am I talking about? I have the Benefit Cosmetics Benny Tint Cheek and Lip Stain. I actually played with this a little bit. This is what it looks like in the container. And I think I had a sample once, but I never used it. But I've never used a product like this before. It's like a tint you can dab on the cheeks or on your lips, which I think is really interesting. This goes for $30. I know a lot of people like this product, so I'm really excited to try it, because like I mentioned, I've been getting really into like cream cheek products, so I think that this is something also new, like a stain I've never tried, so can't wait. And I know like right now the stained lip trend is like in, especially for the summertime, to look like you just like had a popsicle, and so I'm trending. But that was $30. And then I got, last but not least, the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. Is that looking right? This retails for $24. And one thing I can note is this thing is heavy for a mascara. It says a single swipe of this volumizing lengthening mascara will even help make sparse lashes look like extensions. It comes with an innovative comb and shaped wand that adds definition. Ooh, oh dang. Okay, this is like metal packaging right here. That is why it's so heavy, but this is so pretty. I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna show you guys the applicator. Oh, it does have a thin one, so this is good to like grab onto like your little lashes and all that. Interesting. I do watch, what is her name, Kathleen Lights, and she used this mascara a lot on her channel, and I think her eyelashes are beautiful and they always look really good. So I'm hoping I'm gonna get the same effect with my lashes. And I do not wear falsies, I don't wear fake lashes, don't get extensions. I just use my natural lashes. So I love mascara. That's like my ride or die product. I cannot leave the house without mascara on. But that was everything for the Ipsy box. I would say, what's the cost of everything? 45 plus 45, that's 90, $105, 135, and $159 in this box for $25. So I mean, you just get such a good deal, and this is great for people who don't have a lot of makeup, that want to try different makeups, that's like, you know, on a budget, and they also want to try skincare. Or if you just like the idea of getting makeup sent to you, kind of that surprise, and it makes you like try new things. Maybe you would always stick to like certain stuff, and this makes you kind of get out of that comfort zone of yours and try new things. And that's what I love most about it, the element of surprise, getting to try new products, new things. And through Boxy Charm and Ipsy, I have discovered some favorites in their boxes, so I think it's worth it. I mean, if you already have a lot of makeup, or you're picky about your makeup, or you just like to use set makeup, then this might not be for you. But I like it. I like the element of surprise, and I know that sometimes I'm not gonna like something in the box, and sometimes I'm gonna love it, and that's just the gamble you take with these subscription boxes. But if I was going to pick, I would say the Ipsy one beat Boxy Charm this month for me. The products excited me a lot more in this one, and I did get, you know, a little extra in this box versus that one, but you know, there's a $4 difference as well. But I loved both of them. I think overall they were both great boxes, but I think Ipsy just had more appealing products this month for me, and I'm really, really excited. So that was it for this sharing and unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe if you love seeing my face, and if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for your support of this channel. And if you guys have not checked out my other social medias, they will be linked below. Give me a thumbs up if you love this video, but until next time, bye guys.